finds this. I'm sorry.
There you go. I don't know how I'm going to set up this thing to get it a little higher. There's my maths book. We could
Okay,
go
so I
to
put this link in there.
private chat. Oh, okay. Look at that.
Oh, it's a private chat. I don't know what that means.
Oh, I got it. It says Maroon Mercury. Select a sign in option below to join this space. Or I could continue as guest. All right. Type name. Me.
Yeah, like I think I'm getting double echo probably because of your phone.
I'm getting double echo too. I don't know how to get it not to do it. Like I said, it's muted. But it's I wonder how if I could like permanently mute it.
It's like a 5-second delay.
How do I do this?
Everything we say is so good, we get to hear it again 5 seconds later.
Let's see. Does that help? Nope. Oh, let's try this. Does that help? Oh, why is it still doing that? Huh. I'm so confused.
I don't know which time's the first anymore. Because you're also really saying the same thing. So it's a loop.
Story of my life. You can tell by what Levin's saying in the background.
I'm trying to think of a phrase that I could say that's circular. That would sound right if I just keep saying it over and over again.
Mama. Where's the stuff for sound on the iPhone settings? Sounds like my in-laws are coming. That's good.
I'm glad you're recording this for a good record of what's happening.
I love it. It makes me laugh. Like when things go wrong at church, and like they have mess ups in timing or music or sound. Like everybody, I feel like a lot of people get annoyed, but I really appreciate it. I love it.
I was going to yell at you for interrupting me, but it was my echo that you interrupted with your first sentence. I'm not going to interrupt me now because, yeah, I'm with you. We chose our first church because they posted their video on Facebook and it was sideways the whole time. I'm like, we need to go there. Those are my people.
Here came a microphone. Deny. There you go. Is that working?
No.
Can you hear me now? There's a still echoing.
I'll hear you again in 3 to 4 seconds.
Oh man, this is great. See, this is why I wanted to record, because like these are the funny things I love. So how would I turn off? Why is my iPhone not allowing me to go completely quiet?
I have no idea. I don't like phones.
Maybe that's it. Recording settings.
Six, 7. Baba said 6, 7, Daddy.
6,
Are you,
7.
are you hearing it? Hey, watch out. We're recording.
6,
Ready?
7.
Okay.
6,
see if I
7.
can-
6,
He actually
7.
did say it a lot.
Daddy,
6,
Mama
7.
said 6, 7.
I heard you. So did Auntie K. He keeps saying it too.
I'm going to keep saying it.
Hey, you're pacing now. Nice. All right. Share screen. Share screen.
Yes.
There you go. Let's see.
6, 7.
6, 7, 6, 7. This should do it. All right, you there?
Yeah, I'm waiting for the echo.
Hey, no echo. Take that.
I'm pretty just sort of. I'm pretty sure I heard "Hey, no echo" as an echo.
Why?
You not hear it? You don't hear an echo?
I don't hear an echo. There we go. Are you
Must
still
be
hearing an echo?
Is it on my side then? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not hearing an echo. It's sad though, because I wanted to show off my maths book. I was really excited to go through all of our maths books stuff. But we'll do that. We'll do that at another time, I guess.
We can, but I'm still getting echo. You're not.
I'm not getting any echo.
Oh, is it because? It's because I had the YouTube channel still open.
Yeah, that's what I had to do. I had to close out my phone from the YouTube channel.
That's the problem with getting the link from the YouTube channel, and I left it open. Now it's gone.
There we go.
It took us 7.5 minutes of live recording.
I love it.
Do you? All right. Well, now you could show your book because you know what the problem was. But
Yeah, but my phone wasn't going full mute. Like it was still gonna be playing back whatever, and I don't know
That's
why
weird.
it was doing that. So just like forget you, phone. All right, you got a math problem for us?
I thought you said you found math problems, but you just found your book.
I just found my book. I don't think I have any unsolved ones in there.
Oh. Well, there's tons of math problems.
Because remember we'd just draw from the centerfolds. Draw.
Yeah. We could do Are You Smarter Than a Fifth Grader? That's always a fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had the 5th and 6th grade competition from last year.
Yeah.
I think did I send some of these to you already? They start off pretty easy, and then I think I sent you one. Then they get harder.
Yeah, we did one during the game that shall not be mentioned.
That's right.
Are you gonna give us your defensive coordinator?
I'd love for you to have him. He's great.
Yeah, I think he'd be better than our guy, but I don't know.
It might get copyrighted if I put the problems on there.
Yeah, that's what I was wondering the other day. So you gotta find like a good one and
What do you
type it
mean?
up there. I don't know, find one and type it up or something, or write it.
Well, I found one.
Okay, what is
Well,
it?
I have the whole competition.
Hmm.
I can
Yeah.
paste them in one by one.
Yeah.
You want me to do that?
Sure, why not? I don't
Do
know.
you see if you're smarter than a 5th grader? And me too.
I definitely am not, but
Yeah, I don't think I am either. We should start well. So this is the first one. Here we go. Should pop up there.
it's a dot. Oh, okay. Oh goodness. Which of the pieces shown will complete the pattern? Ooh, okay. Okay, so it's a pattern recognition.
We'll track our answers up here. This one's pretty simple, I think.
I'm gonna guess it's that one, eh?
You're pointing at B and saying A?
No, I'm pointing at B.
You said A. Yeah.
Oh, A. Yeah, I said A. Yeah, I did say it.
I think it's that one, A, as your point.
A?
This is going to
Yeah,
go well.
A.
Well, it could go wrong. Yeah, I agree with that one. All right. Let's see if I can delete it now. How do I delete this thing? At least the first 10 are pretty quick. All right. This is the one I think I might have sent you next. Go away, AI assistant. I don't want you. All right. Here it comes. I'll make it bigger. Let's go. All right.
Oh, this is the 2020. This is the one I showed you, right?
I think this is the one
You
I
showed
don't remember.
me.
Yeah, so which way if you look at it backwards?
Because of my heater. Anna built a wall that displays here.
So we can clearly get rid of this one and this one because the O would be third. Would the 5 still look like a 5? Let's see, it would go to the right. If you're looking at it backwards, down.
It'd be this one, wouldn't it be?
No, I'm wrong. Oh, no, that's right. Yeah. Yeah, I think you're right.
This is another B.
So it would look like a 2. The 5 would look like a 2 flipped around, right? That's what we're saying. Okay, so that's B. Final answer? You're muted. I'm assuming that's your final answer.
Are my AirPods back? There we go.
There, you're back. Okay, so that was your final answer.
That's my final answer.
Okay, keep it moving. I like this one. I gave these to my students, and they struggle with this one more than I thought. I don't think it's that hard, but it's a fun little question. And I'm struggling with this technology.
Mike. Yeah, we don't accept struggles with technology here. You need to.
I know. This is the tech. You should rename your channel to like Tech Help. For people dumber than us, which is a very small audience.
Tina Kirby.
Oh, poor Tina. All right, this one was fun.
Mike has a flyer with numbers and holes in the flaps on both sides as shown in the picture. He folds the right flap along the dotted line and sees the numbers 2, 3, 5, and 6 through the holes. Then he also folds the left flap along the other dotted line. Mm-hmm. What is the sum of the numbers he sees now?
It's a fun little problem.
Oh my goodness. So many foldings.
Yeah, you can draw, too, if you want to like mark things up.
Okay. So let's break this down. And holes in the flaps on both sides of the picture. He folds the right flap, so that's this one, right?
Yeah.
Along the dotted line. And he sees the numbers 2, 3, 5, and 6. Okay. All right.
Which makes sense, right?
Okay. I'm tracking there. Then he folds the left flap along the other dotted line. So this one's still folded. Is this one still folded?
Yeah. I think that's what then means.
Okay. So so that one's still folded. So we're not going to see the 2 anymore. Oops. I tried to draw and it moved it.
Yeah, change your pencil down there.
There's
pick your color.
So now the 2. He folds this over. It will still see the 3 and the 5. He folds this over. It'll be an 8. So we don't see the 6.
You won't see the 8 though.
Right. He won't see the 8. Yep. So we're just left with 3 and 5. So what is the sum of the numbers he sees now? E. That's my final answer.
Final answer 8. 8. We'll check answers here after the first 10 because the first 10 are the level 1 problems where you get 3 points per problem. Thank you. All right, here comes the next one. I was prepped. I was already ready with the next one in my clipboard.
Oh yeah, we're getting better with our tech.
Yeah.
A cube is decorated by gluing identical gray squares on it. All the faces of the cube look the same. How many gray squares are there in total? So like this edge, this piece, would that be counted as like a fourth of a
One.
gray square?
I think that's one gray square together. Like the front edge is half and the top edge is half.
Oh, okay. Okay. Full gray square. Okay. So a cube is decorated by gluing identical all the faces of the cube. It's not there. It's a tape measure.
He's got a tape measure.
How many gray squares are there? All the faces look the same. So we have.
There's 5.
There are 5. 11 says 5.
11 might like these. We could do the there's first and second grade competitions.
He says he likes to do math when earlier he was saying math is so boring.
He would like these, I think, because these don't feel like math.
So there's these together are 2, these together are 2, and this is 1. So that's what's 1 plus 1 plus 1?
1.
God bless you.
2.
God bless
3.
you. 3. 3 is correct. Yes, 3.
Okay.
All right.
So if you have, can you do 3 added 6 times?
3 times 6 is.
Does he know times?
Remember. No.
Yeah.
It's 18. So if you do it 6 times, it's groups of 3. There you go. You got that. 1, 2, 3.
I continue my fishing.
And you do that 6 times.
Fishing for numbers.
You're fishing for numbers. Yes.
So you're doing 18 is your final answer?
I'm doing 18. Do you have a different answer? You probably came to it like 5 minutes ago. So.
I did it exactly the way you did it.
Yeah, but you just did it 5 minutes quicker.
Yeah. Well, to be fair, I've seen like the first 10. I haven't seen after that though.
There you go.
So I'm excited to see. All right. This is a layers one.
Oh goodness.
You put on one ingredient at a time. What was the third topping?
All right.
It's a little bit hard to see.
Peppers are first.
Peppers are. Wait, the first
Like
topping
chilies.
on, or they're last? Those are last.
They're last. Oh, what's the first topping on?
Tomatoes are first, right?
Well, we know they're not the third then. All right.
Yeah,
So
tomatoes are first.
Yeah, tomatoes are first. And then tomato.
Then onion, right?
So onions underneath black circle and mushroom. And that's the mushroom, I guess. Yeah, so I guess
peppers on mushroom, so onion second.
Onion, and then
hope we don't spell it backward.
Mushroom. So is it black? So mushrooms come after.
It's gotta be olives next.
Olives.
My parents are on their way.
Okay.
So we're going with B as our final answer.
Sorry.
Anyway, I'm getting going. I don't remember what it was.
All right. I love you. Let me know if you need anything. B. Yeah. Olives. Yep. Sorry.
Oh, this answer is kind of just. I feel like we have to miss something. 4 B's.
Or they may be tricking you to make you think that.
Oh, sorry, I didn't prep the next one while we were waiting.
Oh.
I got some stuff that you might like.
All right.
Oh, I like this one too. This is a fun elementary problem. They write some cool little problems here.
Okay. Container A holds 10 liters of water. All 5 plugs at the bottom of container A are taken out at the same time and the water flows out. What volume of water flows into the container B? What volume of water? Oh, okay. Oh, goodness.
This is a cool little problem.
All right. So there's 3/5 of the water comes into here.
Here you go.
So that's a total of
it's a little math activity.
6, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we got 6 liters there.
6 liters. And then this is 1/5 coming down here. So that's 2.
Mm-hmm.
But if we divide, and then this is 2, this is 1/2. of the
6.
6.
Yeah.
So that's 3. So it's 3 plus 2.
Yeah, I think so.
Here, let me get the boy for this. Hey, what's 3 plus 2? 5, he says. There you go.
Final answer for 11.
Final answer.
All right.
He gave me his math sheet from school. He says, I think I would like this.
It is
I think
awesome.
these are a little
Go, son.
difficult for me.
So, all right, I think we're on a roll here. Feeling good about our answers. I don't remember what they are, but I feel. All right. We're more than halfway through level 1.
I think we're about 50%.
Yes, 70%. Once we get 7 done, we'll be 70% increase.
7 wins over 0 is a 70% increase.
Yeah. He's Shannon Sharp.
Theo
Okay.
rotates a piece of paper divided into 6 equal parts. When the paper is rotated, it's turned clockwise by 1 part. The original sheet of paper and the result of 1 rotation are shown in the diagram. What does the sheet of paper look like after a total of 8 rotations?
Oh.
So you just got to do 2, right?
Yeah, just 2. So there's 1 more from this one then.
Yeah.
So black would be there and black would be there.
Yeah. So
is that A? A, yeah. All right. Good basic problem about modular arithmetic. That's cool.
Yeah.
That's why I like these competitions. They are doing like, yeah, different stuff like fractions, and the kids don't even know they're doing fractions. Modular arithmetic, they don't know they're even doing modular.
They have them doing basic fractions already in 1st grade.
Good. They should be able to know how to do that stuff, I think.
Like 1/2 and 1/3.
Yeah. It's not that hard of a concept, I don't think, for kids.
No.
Like to know what they mean.
Yeah.
All right, what do we got?
My menu of my favorite burger restaurant is written on a board. However, the rain washed away some of the numbers. The burgers are in order by price. Which of the following is the price of one of my burgers? So just one of them.
That's a cool problem. I don't remember the answer, but I got to rethink this one.
All right, so it goes. So cheapest is on top, and then.
Well, clearly the next one's gotta be a 4 because, right? Because 4 or 5,
Yeah.
They can't all go up 1, but it has to go up at least 1.
Right.
Okay, so we're gonna guess that that's a 430. I think is a reasonable guess.
Because it can't be a 330.
Right, and it's probably not a 5 because we're gonna have to go up a few more times. So would it be reasonable to guess we're gonna stay here because we can?
Yeah, because you're gonna have to go up because you have to go up to 5 on that one, but then because you'll
that would be the answer.
6. Yeah.
Yeah, and it has to go this way because we got to get the 6. Okay. That wasn't as hard as. Still fun. All right.
Yeah, it was fun. Yeah, it took a little thought.
So that's B, right? I think it was a B.
What if that one's wrong because we
okay, Eric. Okay, it was B. It was B.
All right, it was B. There you go.
All right.
Dog maybe get fussy. I don't know what he's gonna do.
Nice. The dog and the child. Managing. All right. Oh yeah, I remember this one. Yeah, the classic A, B, C, D, E names.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Oh.
I might have to move. He's very talkative. He's like a husky. All right, 6 children took part.
See if he can make it through the top 10. 2 more.
Area finished in the 3rd place. Beal finished 6th, just behind Ernest. So that means Ernest was 7th or 5th, right? All right.
I don't know. So they told us A is in 3rd.
B
No,
is
wait,
in 6.
there's 6. Oh, there's 6.
Yeah, you only put 4.
I put 5, but there's off your screen.
What's off my screen?
My 5 and my 6. Sorry, I'll move them. There.
Erase. Oh yeah, okay. Oops,
No,
I erased your 2.
what have you done?
We only want
Just behind Ernest, so Ernest was 5th.
yeah.
Fatma,
Let me mute.
Fatima was between Aaron and Ernest. So Diana overtook Charles. Well, wait, this was pretty boring. Like, it has to be that way.
The dog doesn't like it when I sit in this chair.
I hear it. Wow. That's very vocal.
Wait. I have no idea. He's mad because I'm not sitting with him.
I like what they did here. I think this is the right answer, but they put the person who won the race would be a D, but they put him as choice C.
Oh, I see. I see what they did there.
Tricky little competition people.
Yeah.
All right, dog. We just got one more in a top 10. Let's find it here, and then they get harder. But you gotta do what you gotta do. The dog. This is gonna be hard to see because of watermarks on it. Oh, not that bad.
All right, now he's next to me, so now he's happy. I had to move a chair so he could jump up on it. Here, I'll take away my background. There you go.
Oh yeah. Hey, I made him happy. There you
go. His paw was up my shoulder. Oh man. All right.
We should have a real dog that wants attention. Mine's always about 10 feet over away from me.
I wish I had one that was 10 feet over away from me.
It is nice most of the time for sure. Oh, I know the answer. Okay, I got this one. I already worked it out.
You got it? All right.
It's a good one. It's another good one. You got 17 books, 15 books, and 7. We want the same number on every shelf. What's the fewest number of books from the middle we have to move to the bottom? Nice problem about averages. It's really cool.
One wants each shelf to have the same number of books.
Yeah.
So, but she's not. But she's not moving any books off the top shelf?
You have to, because we want every shelf to have the same number of books. I think that's the trick of the problem, is you gotta already have moved those.
Okay. Okay, so you just got to figure out the average and then figure out what you got to move to make that average?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's 39?
Have the child come up with the average there.
39, so it's 13, average 13.
Son, what's the average of 17, 15? It's 7. You learned that yet? First grade?
They'll probably say, I forgot. Like you knew it at one point. Yeah.
I wonder if Jude knows. Jude.
So 13. So 5. E5.
Jude. Do you know how to find averages? Do you know how to find an average? No? Okay. I wonder if he could figure out any of these problems. All right. What'd you
What
get?
E.
E? No.
Oh no, not E. D.
I don't think it's D either.
Because it's 13, right? So he's got to move
Yeah.
forward.
From the top shelf, but they want to know from the middle shelf.
The middle shelf.
Classic reading the problem.
Yes.
You made a middle school mistake. Good job.
B.
D?
My new final answer.
Yeah.
My new final answer.
All right, so we'll check our answers now. Our first 10, because if we got them all right, we get 30 points. All right, I can't share my screen, or maybe I could, but it's okay. I don't need to. I'll just read them off. B, B, E, B, B. Nice.
Yeah, 100.
C, A, B, C, B. Okay,
Yes.
so we got our 30 points. We're as smart as a fifth grader in the easy problems.
That's what I'm talking about.
You want to continue on?
Yeah,
You dare.
let's do it.
Okay, now we get to the level 2, which are all 4 points. And I think on the 7th and 8th grade test, I definitely started getting stumped. I haven't done these yet, so we'll see. A lot of them you can figure out intuitively, but I wasn't like sure why.
Okay. 3 turtles participate in a 100-kilometer race. Each one
10.
of them moves at a. What did I say?
100, I'm pretty sure. We can watch it back later. Okay.
Each of them moves at a constant speed. When the first turtle finishes, the second turtle is covered 1/4 the distance, and when the third turtle is covered 1/5 of the distance. How far from the finish line will the third turtle be when the second turtle finishes?
Okay, so we need a drawing here. I haven't done these.
Yeah.
Okay, start to finish.
Your drawing's a little bit. Your drawing's a little bit off the screen.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. You get a bigger monitor.
I do. I need to get 2 monitors. They say actually when you screen share, you should have 2 monitors.
Yeah, I got my wide one going, so half and half. Okay, the first turtle finished. The second is 1/4 of the distance, so we'll put the second one right there. You want to draw a turtle?
Is the finish on the right-hand side?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. There you go. Start.
So this is turtle 2.
Turtle 2.
Maybe we should make it green here.
Should it be Raphael or Michelangelo, Donatello?
Yeah, any of those. Leonardo. Okay. And the third turtle has covered 1/5. Oh man. I'm just gonna. Okay. So turtle 3's there. So far, are we on the same page?
So he's 1/20th shorter, right?
How far from the finish line will the third turtle be when the second turtle finishes? Oh, gotcha.
Like how?
Yeah.
What's this fraction, and then multiply it by 4, right?
So he's 1/5 of the way, and he's 1/4. He's gonna have to do that 4 times, yeah. And he's gonna do this. So 4/5. So we're saying 4/5 of 10.
Yeah.
Wait, how far from the finish line?
Right.
So that would make him here.
4/5 behind him, right? So yeah, so that'd be when he's
so he'd be 8 kilometers
and 4/5 of that. Yeah.
So he'd be 8 kilometers in the race, which is 2 from the end.
Yeah.
That's a good one. See, yeah, that definitely took it up a notch.
There you go.
You got to multiply fractions. You got to do ratios. Kids hate ratios.
I do fractions and ratios.
I hate ratios.
Don't.
Oh, I forgot what that was. The answer.
Yeah, put like your mask on or something, or just like the simple one that goes across your eyes or something.
That was B. All right.
Why? Why do I always have to wear this? Hello. Why did that?
I took you away. There, they can see you there. All right. So Vera built a tower block. She wants to replace the 2 blocks with the question marks with 2 blocks with numbers. So we're going to change these blocks, buddy. She wants the number on each block in her tower to be at least 2 more than the number on the block below it. Now, how many ways can Vera do this?
Oh, counting and probability. Very cool.
Oh, so how many ways?
How many ways? Yeah, that's cool.
Wow.
That's gonna be. Let's just do casework. Let's just start with the base case. So 8.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Brute force. Yeah. Brute force.
So if she did 8, it would be 10, 11, 12, and 13. No.
8, 5, 8.
Be 10, 11, 12. You can keep doing the alphabet. It's great.
Yeah, she couldn't do 13.
All right, so we got 3 options here. If the first one's 8, the first one's 9, we'd have 2, right? Because now we take out 10. So it's 11, 12. 10 would be 1. And it can't be 11. Oh, no. It can't be 11 because 11 would force 13 and we can't have. So I think I'm going with 6. Does the alphabet man agree?
All right, buddy. You just started doing three parts of addition. What's 3 plus 2 plus 1?
I have no idea.
What's 2 plus 1? You just did that one earlier.
3.
3. What's 3 plus 3? That's a doubles. 6. He says 6.
That's quick. He just flew through that.
It's actually puppy dog.
It's actually puppy dog. Yeah, that is the answer.
Puppy dog is 6.
Poodle needs cuddles from the other side of the force. Poodle Darth Vader.
He's Darth Vader.
So far, Darth Vader, I feel like crushing this test here.
The picture shows, all right, buddy. The picture shows 5 wheels of fortune. Each wheel is divided into a different number of identical parts. You will win a prize if you spin the wheel and it stops with the triangle above the wheel part that is shaded. Which wheel gives you the best chance of winning?
That one right there.
You gotta point to it.
That one.
Yeah, does he have an intuitive answer? It's a great. Those are fun. Intuitive ones are often. Intuitively, it looks like 1 to me, but what do you think?
Yeah, that's what he's saying. He's saying intuitively it's a 1.
Yeah, I tell you.
That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 8s.
I got 2 12s for that one, which is clearly smaller. That's a 2. Okay, gotcha.
An 8.
I got the 8. So that's 1/4.
Why are you guys using those cool pendants?
Because they're on this program, the ATK sharing.
10. Okay, so this is 2/10. This is 1/5. So I think that I'm going with the guy there, Darth Vader.
There, Darth Vader. Darth Vader got it right.
You agree with Darth?
So
Yeah.
So do we win?
We win. Yep, we win. Winner, chicken dinner.
4 points if it's right.
At least if it's right. We haven't checked it yet. We gotta get. We're doing 10 problems at a time. That's pretty fun, huh? Good job, buddy.
Yeah.
See, math could be kind of fun.
Math dance, do the math dance with zero legs. Do the math dance with 10 math facts. Puppy dogs are sweet. Puppy dogs are sweet. Puppy dog. You can also use this to help you.
Yeah, a die. Yeah, could use a die.
Do you sing about 10 math facts and then shift the puppy dogs?
Yeah, that's normal.
All right. Which shape or any rotation of the shape cannot be placed onto the white parts?
All right, so which shape or rotation of shape cannot be placed on the white parts of the large square? So we want the black parts? We want one that's only on the black part?
No, we want any, it can't fit on the white. So we should just go through and go one by one and find ones that can, is my thinking, right? So like I crossed out B because that could fit up there.
Yeah.
So it's not B. B could fit on the white parts.
E can, if you rotate it, E can.
Where E can?
Yeah, here.
Hello.
Yeah, okay. A looks like it can too, about where you're at. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, right there in the diagonal.
Uh-huh. All right.
You guys are fooling around too much.
Yep.
Yeah, that's what we do.
Who's old and tired?
Maybe it's D.
I'm feeling D is the right answer, but where is C at?
Here it is.
Nice. Okay, so we like D.
D. Yep.
That would take me a while to find C, but I'm glad you're here. I don't like those.
Dad,
So you pay me the big bucks.
Dad, that says Dad. And you just need one more.
It does say dad. Yeah, we need to. Next one needs to be A. Then we got dad.
Oops.
We can spell in another message.
We could spell another. Look, there's a cab here.
This is the halfway point, I think.
Trying to spell little words.
And beb.
Bib.
Beb. B-E-B.
Beb. Beb. Well, people do not know what a beb is.
My school swimming team is practicing for a relay competition. 5 swimmers swam the same distance, one after the other. The pictures below show the times on their coach's stopwatch when each swimmer finished their leg. The first swimmer needed 2 minutes and 8 seconds. Which of the swimmers needed the least time?
Oh, okay. So it's just a subtraction problem.
Yeah. So this one's less by 1 second. No, by
less than 2 minutes. Yeah, by 1 second. Yeah. Or any other ones? 2 minutes. This one here. This one's smaller. This is less by 5 seconds. So I'm thinking the fourth one, because that's 5 seconds short of 2 minutes, right?
So this one. 5 seconds. Yeah. Yeah. So first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Yeah.
All right. I think that's 75-minute exam is what you have. But if you're taking the real exam, you don't have to copy paste and do all that stuff. Jessica cuts 4 identical squares from the corners of a square sheet of paper. The total area she cut off is 16 square centimeters. The area is 9. Oh, that's fun. That's a good problem. I love these problems. Could give this to my middle schoolers. We just did perimeter and area. Whoa. I'm just going through Eolson. It's brain right now. I have no idea. It's needed. He's keeping his thoughts secret.
I didn't know I was muted. Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
I missed
intuitively, I felt like this is divided into 4, and then this is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That'll give you your total area.
Why can't we just do 16 plus 9?
Yeah, whatever.
So each side's 5. Each side's 5.
He was checking his butt for fleas. Look at this. Yeah, I did.
Oh, perimeter of the cross. We need the
perimeter
of the cross. I did a middle school mistake. Perimeter
yeah, perimeter of the cross. All right. So we did kind of need to do that a little bit.
Wait, isn't the perimeter of the cross the same as the perimeter of the square?
Look at this. The zero
So it'd be
No,
1,
yeah.
2, 3, 4,
No,
5,
no.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
It's the
20.
same. Yeah, because you just push these sides out and push these sides up. You literally make the square.
Oh. Why did I come up with 20 then?
Pluto's dead. Pluto doesn't want to be dead.
20 is right. The perimeter of the square is 20.
Daddy,
20.
Pluto's
All right,
dead,
there
but
you
he
go.
doesn't want to be dead.
That's a fun problem.
He wants to be alive.
Yeah, this is a really good problem. So you're doing area, perimeter, and you have to find the perimeter of an odd shape, which is identical to the perimeter of the shape that surrounds it. Very, very cool. Way to go, Math Kangaroo.
Hug. You are my baby.
All right, 17. Where are you? Ooh, there's color. All right, grabbed it.
Oh, color. Hey, a little less shouting. Thank you, buddy. Each of the cards shown below has 2 3-digit numbers written on them, but some of the digits cannot be seen as they are covered in ink. On one of the cards, the sum of the digits of both numbers is the same. On which cards are both 2 numbers?
My instinct is to add them up to begin with.
Is this about
So it's saying one of the cards. So we're looking for a card where the sum of the digits is the same. So
both numbers.
The sum of that one and the sum of this one is the same.
Yeah. So
is that what I'm reading?
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's get, maybe we want to get the sums of the ones, so we have 12
a little less,
and
not
2 plus some number.
We just talking normal, they could hear you. You don't have
We
to
have
yell.
13 plus some number. Maybe I'll do box.
There you go. Plus 2. What's 1 plus 1?
2.
2. All right, we got 2.
So another 2 plus a box. Another
the box. Okay.
And then we've got, does he want to do 9 plus 8 plus 2?
What's 8 plus 2?
8 plus 10.
10. What's 10 plus 9?
10 plus 9.
So you have one in your 10s column and 9 in your 1s column. What's that? 1 and a 9?
19.
19. There you go.
1 plus 1 equals 2.
And then we have what's 2? 1 plus 1.
2.
What's 2 plus 2?
4.
4. There you go.
Yes.
4. And then
Give me a second. Put on 19.
what's 7 plus 7? Do you remember?
No.
It's one of your
Tougher
doubles.
one.
7 plus 7 equals 11. That's
Nope.
7.
14.
7 plus 7 equals 14. Yeah,
14.
that's
Plus 7 is 19. All right.
Yeah. Now you'll get this. My zebra's dead. See, look.
Oh, yep, he's dead. I can't see. It's a little off the screen on there.
Oh, I can fix that. Watch these skills. Ready for this?
I'm ready.
There.
Is that all? Yeah, 21. Okay, yep.
Okay, well, we can cross out the bottom one, right?
Right.
Because you can't get 21 with 2 9s. That's 20.
Yep.
We can cross out the one above it because 6 is already bigger than 4.
This is being 4. Yep.
We can cross out. No, we could be this one if they're both 9s.
You can cross out the top one because
Yep.
there's,
That's 11.
Yep.
And same here, because
Hey, just like that.
no matter what number you put here, 2 can't get you plus anything to 13.
Right. It'd be your smallest would be 14, and so then.
So the 2 9s here would do it because that would give you 19. Wow. Very fun.
We're going with C.
I think so. I feel pretty good about C.
All right. We went with this one.
Hey, do you want it back?
The baby. You guys are all done with your math.
We're all done with our math. We haven't even started.
Got 3 left to our next check.
You are done.
Oh.
Okay.
Ooh, yeah. These are
good.
I usually like these ones. The shape in the diagram is made up of identical
Graph theory.
squares. Yeah.
You know what? I hate math. Poodle does too, right? We're bored.
Point
We're bored.
point
We don't want
B
to work
is
with them.
okay. Then listen to something or go play with your Play-Doh or
But
something.
I don't want to be little baby. Yo.
We're still here. We're in the same room.
Baby as a pup.
Point B is halfway between points
Oh, it's
A.
a cool problem.
Also, point D is halfway between points C and E. Maria wants to divide the shape into two parts of equal areas. Which of the points A, B, C, D, or E should she connect with a straight line?
Wow.
Do this.
I wonder what Darth Vader's intuition would be on this one.
All right,
I'm debating between two of them.
What do you think? We want to divide this shape in half. We got to pick one of these points. We're going to start here and we're going to draw a line to one of these. Which one do you think we should not now again, puppy? Intuitively you think A? All right. I don't think I think that's going to be a little
I drew a form. Does that look like they're two equal spots?
Does that look like they're two equal? Like that half
put it
is
back.
going to be equal to that half?
Nope.
No, he says no on that one.
Yeah.
He says how about E?
All right, let me draw E. Hold on, let me get my line back.
Does that look about right?
Mm.
Two equal? Let's see, we got 2 and then we got 1. So we got 3 fulls.
That's pretty close. That might be it. No,
it's off by a half.
Yeah, I was debating between C and D. I first thought C, but then I wasn't sure. Now D looks better, actually, doesn't it? Whoops.
Good God. Good God.
Let's see. So we got 3.
D, that looks good. D looks good. D for duty dot dot.
D for duty dot.
D doesn't look it.
I don't think it's correct. I think it's C maybe then, huh?
Yeah. Well, C.
Try C.
Like intuitively, that would be my guess.
Yeah,
but
that was where I went first, and then I was looking. It seemed imbalanced, so I went higher. But
yeah,
that's not right either.
That's all right. So it must be D, and your line just might be a little off.
Guys, try to reach.
Well, let's try to think about it more mathematically here. So wait, so we definitely.
You guys are done now. Time to go home. Puppy, it's time to go home.
So how many squares are there total? Does that help us? 1, 2, 3, 4.
You have to go home.
4 plus 8. So there's 12 total.
Yeah. How many total are there?
Right? There's 12 total.
You just don't. This is
1, 2, 10, 12. Yep. 12 total.
So
I just need you.
we could actually find the area. So this would be 1.5.
Hey, I hear you. Then go take care of that.
Plus 5 times 2.
I had in past tense.
Okay.
I had a poo, and he said he took care of it because he already did it on your chair.
Yeah, you're gonna have to do something.
So I found that's the area of that one.
I stuck my nose.
Or 13/4 if we want to make it no decimals. Oh, I'm off the screen.
You're squishing the dog.
Let me get back on the screen.
Because he was trying to move and he was cutting off the bed.
So that's the area of this trapezoid, right?
Uh-huh.
Half the sum of the bases times the height. And then the other one we should split into like a triangle.
Yeah, triangle and then add the 2.
So that's 3.5 times 1. So that's just 3.5, which will do 7 halves. And then plus 2, which is 4 halves. So that's 11 halves. That's not the same. Am I right?
I mean to stack the line.
Yeah, so it's 2. So you just automatically divide that by 1, right?
1, yeah, times 3.5, right? So that's 3.5, which is 7 halves, and then plus 2 more. So it's not B, right?
Huh? So maybe it is C?
Let's try C.
Sandwich. With him. Ow. My peanut butter and jelly sandwich. This is
So if we grab
This is going
C is a lot easier to calculate for sure. So the trapezoid would be 2, 7
Maddie, put those
halves plus times 2, or just 7. So that would be 7.
My turn.
And the triangle would be 3 plus 2 is 5. Wait, what?
Did that get smaller or bigger or smaller between C and D? The difference.
The top got bigger and the bottom got smaller.
So it's got to be E.
Yeah, because we wanted to go the other way, right? Because it was
Yeah.
the top was smaller and we wanted it to get bigger. Oh yeah, we should have thought about that from the beginning. Good catch. So we got to go to E. Is that what that was his second choice, wasn't it? If we go to E, the trapezoid would be a 1 plus a 5, so 6 divided by 2 is 3 times, so 6. And then this would be 4 by 2, which is 4 plus 2. There we go. That is outstanding. I'm giving this to my 7th graders because we just did all those areas.
Yeah, I gotta see if the dog wants out real quick.
Yeah, go for it. I haven't even read it yet. Or I just read it, but I haven't thought about it. Sounds fun. I really like that last one. That was really good. All right, Henry. Okay, so we're putting, it's binary, 0 or 1, and the sum is 3 everywhere. When you finish, what is sum? So do we have to solve this entire puzzle in order to do this, or is there a quick way? I guess the only way to find out is to kind of hack it out here. Yeah, you're really hard to hear all of a sudden. I don't know. I can hear you, just way quieter than it was. I'm drawing a perfect grid right now. Did I turn things down? No, I didn't. Whatever. I can hear you, it's just quieter. Oh, now Seth's trying to beat me at nitro type. You can't do it. You might beat me at speed, but you're not going to beat me at speed and accuracy. There's no way. Really? You've never got one? I beat Seth. He usually beats me all the time, but.
Hi, Seth.
Auntie E says hi.
I got 102 in my second.
I usually slower than you on average, I think, but that race. I'll never do better than that. I think I peaked in every sense of the skill set, any skill. Okay, so here he goes. Yeah, clearly. Oh yeah, right. The zeros, guarantee those have to be ones. I'm with you there.
Almost like 0, 0, 0.
No, every diagonal, doesn't it? It has to be 3. Oh, how dare you? But those are all ones as well. And you're getting out of control here.
Making assumptions, you know what that does.
That's good. That's to put ones in the diagonal. Okay, what else do we know? So there's got to be 1 0 in everything. They got to be in different rows, every 0. Wait, yeah, you can't do that. Yeah. Wait, does it have to be that way? I think that it must. So we got 2.
It's a solution set. I don't know if it's the only solution set. That's
Well, it would be a bad problem if it wasn't.
Well, it says it can't be calculated, so if there's like a...
Oh. Well, wait, go back, put what you had, and let's, we should have, let's just duplicate that whole thing. So put your 0, we can just make a copy of it. No, I don't remember, or whatever. I'm not gonna remember what you had.
I had 0, 0, 0, 0 there.
You remember? Okay, as long as you remember. So this is, wait, is this what we know for sure? No, get rid of that one, yeah. So this is what we know for sure. We should make those black. Or a different, change your color now. Like go to a different color. So that way we know our new stuff.
And then hypothetically, I had a 0. This is where we have our 0 before.
Okay. So put a 1 in the one with the 0 in any of them. And then let's see what happens. 0. That has to be 0. That has to be 1. That has to be 1. And the other one has to be 0. I think.
And that would be, we're looking at those. Oh, but it's still, the 0s and the 1s are still going to be
The same, in the same spot. It's still gonna be 2. Yeah, I think I'm feeling good about 2. I don't know. You agree?
Yeah, I think there's a I'm at 90%.
Yeah, this is the first one I have some doubt. It's a competition. We can't spend all day on it. We only have 75 minutes, you know. It's the rules. All right. The last one of level 2. Mary and Paul, 2-digit numbers. Using digits 1 to 9 exactly once. Picture shows an example could be written. Okay, so this is an example. Then Mary and Paul ordered their numbers smallest, middle, and largest. Mary wrote down the largest possible value the middle number could have. Holy cow, wait.
So you have to figure out the largest, and then you have to figure out the smallest. So first we have to, all right, each wrote down 3 two-digit numbers using the digits 1 to 9 exactly once. This is like a Sudoku too. Which picture shows an example? Okay. So what would be the largest?
Well, the large wouldn't it be 800 and something, right? So the hundreds place would start with an 8.
7. Wouldn't it be 987?
No, that. How could you get a number larger than that?
Oh, so it has to be
800 something.
Oh, okay, yeah.
It has to be like 876.
Yeah, 876.
Because the only other one would be 9, and who cares?
Right.
And then the smallest one. So if you think from the bottom, it has to be 2, right?
Yeah, it can't be 1.
And then it could be 3, and then 4.
All right, there we go.
So we want, what is the difference? So that would be 642. That's a choice. That makes you feel good that it's a choice.
Yes. Good one with the choice.
So we're going with it?
Yeah, I'll go with it. Hey, yeah.
Oh boy. All right, let's see how we do. It's time for our. All right, answer key. Where are you? There you are. Number 11 was B, D, A. How are we doing so far? D, D.
11 was D.
No, 11 was B. Let me go back. Okay.
All right, yeah.
So B, D, A. So we got all those. B, D, A.
BDA.
It has the full solution, so you got to scroll a bit. D, 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 D. Okay, so we're good. C, C.
Wait, B, C?
No, C, C. We're good. C as in Carl. C as in Carl. Cat. E as in elephant. B as in boy. Yes, that was one we weren't sure about. Nice. And A. We got 40 points. Let's move that 30 over here.
Yeah.
There. Give ourselves 40.
Because we got all those
right, buddy. We are crushing it. We're in the top 50% now, 5th and 6th graders probably. Our combined brains is as good as an average 5th grader.
It doesn't spell out a message. ANTK has answers, and so you know how you have multiple choice sometimes? You use a multiple choice question.
Do you want to continue, or are you gonna go about your day?
I like to continue. I don't know how
All right.
the boy and the dog will.
All right. Well, we'll just go until somebody breaks. Either. Oh wow, that is really loud. So it is your microphone that's terrible.
Sorry.
We'll go until somebody breaks. Me, you, the dog, the child. Oh, quit doing that. Oh, I'm on the wrong thing. That's why it's not pasting. Okay. Okay. Let me just shrink. Hold on all these because they're kind of getting in the way. All right. Whoa. What just happened? I deleted them accidentally.
What would you do instead? You want cuddle? Okay, yeah. Okay. You can go cuddle. The dog's on the couch, yeah. Cuddle with the dog. He's sitting at the computer doing math. It's gonna watch his video.
What did he say?
He said looking at the computer screen is gonna rot my brain. Normally that's true, but
Good advice misapplied. Yeah, that's awesome.
I've been on the computer screen for most of the day. I have been on the computer screen for a little bit of the day so far. You're right. I'm not going to be on for too long. We have 10 more questions.
10 hard ones. We might not get through them all. We'll see. They're definitely going to get harder, supposedly. All right, let's see. I'm going to read it.
You won't eat your waffle if I don't stop. I feel like that's threatening. That's not a very good threat. All right. A witch. Hey, this is about a witch. A witch had 10 apples, 9 bananas, and 6 pears. One day she performed some magic and turned each of her pieces of fruit into one of the other 2 types. For example, she changed each apple into either a banana or a pear. She now has 15 apples, 7 bananas, and 3 pears. How many apples did she change into bananas?
Wow. All right.
She now has 15 apples. Okay, so you have. So she starts out with 10 apples. So
It's the first picture right there. Yeah.
Yeah. And then afterwards she's getting.
So do you want to try like the base case where we assume she only changed bananas and pears? Would that work? That would work.
Yeah.
If she just changed them into apples. But that's not a choice because.
Right? Why not? Of course. But it can't be because then the pears and that, right? So because she has to change some of these with some others as well. Because this would require 5. That would require.
Oh, each of her pieces of fruit, each of them. I see.
So that would require all of these to be turned into apples.
Okay. So we're going to have at least. Wait a minute. How many apples did you change into bananas? I think it's 7. Because if she changed all of them, the sum of bananas and pears is the number of apples later. So she had to have changed all the bananas and pears into apples.
Yeah.
So therefore, 7 of the apples had to become bananas.
So I blindly came into a full solution again.
Yeah, I think so.
One slightly dumber person on
Does
there.
that make sense? Do you go with E then?
Yeah.
That's that problem seemed like it was going to be really hard, but you just got to find the key. That was interesting. I think this is why AOPS like this. These are AOPS types problems where there's like some little trick. If you can find it, it saves you all sorts of time.
Finally made it.
Side length of the square shown in the diagram is 10 centimeters. Line down the middle of the square. It's area of shade region.
Oh,
I watch
half the base times the height. So base times height should be 25. 25.
No. No. So that would be one triangle, right?
No, that'd be
So 5 times 10 is 50, and then 25 is one triangle. But you'd have to do, but it's only a section of that. So then you need to subtract this triangle. Right?
You could, I think.
So that'd be 5. 5. 5. 5. That's 10. So is it? Well, that's not an answer. All right. So that's not good.
I wasn't totally following your. It's hard, a little harder to hear, but okay. So, yeah. You can, wait, what were you doing? You were doing. You were trying to do like in 2 pieces, like this triangle and that triangle, or
No. I saying so. I thought you did this triangle.
Okay, so that would be 25.
Right.
Minus 5 times 5, half of that, which would be 12 and a half. Yep, that works. That gives you 12 and a half for this one.
Okay.
And then the other one would be the same.
Okay.
I did a different, I just found the area of this triangle directly because this base is 5 and the height is 5. It doesn't matter that it's skewed.
Yeah, that's true too. Yeah.
So, and there's 2 of them, so it's just 5 times 5.
Yeah, that makes sense.
I think that's something they focus on in AOPS geometry. It's like your base, you can skew them all over, just find the base somewhere. So you can find like equal triangles all over the place that don't look equal if they're on top, if they share a base like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty fun. I learned something from AOPS. I want to take all their, that's something I was thinking we could do. If you want, we could go through a course.
Yeah.
I want to do counting and probability. I've started it a couple times, but because counting is so hard.
Sick. Good.
5 equally shaped parts. Oh, 5 equally shaped parts. Oh, goodness.
Is the dog at least supposed to sit in the chair? You want the chair on the left. All right. Joanna divides the figure shown in which consisting of 3 squares. The square containing which letter is the same part as the square marked with the star. What? Joanna divides the figure shown. All right, so this into 5 3 squares. So say she divide like 1.
Can't do that though. Yeah.
3, but that's what we're talking about.
I think so. So that's why I think they all have to be like this.
Yeah, they all gotta be.
Maybe. So that's 1, 2, 3. That doesn't work either. Oh wait, yeah, that's get rid of my third one. So do this one. 3, 4, 5. There we go. Like that.
Yeah.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The square containing which letter is the same part as a square marked with a star. E? Is that what they're asking?
I got a phone call I got to take. 1 second.
Sure. That one. The square containing which letter? We're looking for a letter. same part as spring. So this is the part. That's it. Look at the D. Always eat turkey waffles. You never eat soggy waffles. You do it waffles with them. Waffles getting soggy. Spinning rule 3 dice to sum 6. Got 4.6%. That's how many weighs. Answer a percentage. That seems off. It doesn't see it. I think it's taken from. It's not doing my AirPods. Is my mic. Wait. See settings. It's not. Audio. It says it's from my AirPods, but it's not picking up my AirPods.
There, let's test that. Oh, I think that's better. Is yep, there you go. That screen. Sorry to anybody who may watch this in the future. Yep.
We incinerate the house.
Can I incinerate the house?
Uh-huh.
No.
Oh, what have I missed? You're incinerating the house. So did we go with E?
Yeah, we went with E.
Okay.
I don't know where it came from. The boy just wanted me to incinerate the house.
Yeah, I hear.
I told him no. We have
That's
to sell
good. Good call. Way to adult that one. Yeah.
We're gonna incinerate it and then move.
That's called insurance fraud. Yeah.
Ooh, there you go.
Oh, these ones. Oh,
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Felix never tells the truth on Tuesday, Thursday, Friday.
Saturday. Tuesday,
Saturday.
Thursday, Saturday.
He always tells the truth on the other 4 days. One day, Mateo had the following conversation. Felix, what day is it? Oh no, I can't handle this on a Saturday. What day is today? Saturday.
What day will it be tomorrow? Wednesday.
So that's clearly a lie.
On which day did this
Or no,
conversation
that's
take
not clearly
place?
a lie. One of those is clearly a lie. Okay, so if it's not Saturday,
Well,
if it's not Saturday, if he lied at first, tomorrow can't be Wednesday.
either way, one of these are contradictory. So one of these
Right.
is a lie. So it means it's one of the lying days.
I was gonna say, yeah, if you assume he's telling the truth at the first, or if he's telling a lie on the first one, the next day can't be Wednesday because it would have been a Tuesday.
Right.
So on which day did the conversation take place? So the second one must be the truth.
So it must be Thursday.
What day will it be tomorrow?
Because he can't, if tomorrow really is Wednesday, then that means that would be the truth. Then it couldn't be Tuesday.
No, wait. It can't be Thursday because you'd have to tell the truth both times.
No, both. If it's Thursday, if the day is currently Thursday, he says Saturday. That's a lie. Then he says, "What's tomorrow?" And it's Thursday. He says, "Oh, he
never tells the truth." I was thinking he always had it reversed.
Yeah.
Okay, so wait, so it can't be Tuesday and Saturday. Gotcha. I'm with you now.
This one
Told
says
you I can
not that
handle
one.
these. I can handle these.
Saturday
That's where we
says
need
not
you
that
for
one.
these. Yeah. I got there eventually. Those are okay. Those are good times. I can handle 5th grade level with those eventually, but if they go up to like 6th grade level or 7th, there's no way.
Yeah.
6, 7 child. All right. Maybe we check our
Kay said
answers.
6, 7.
Julio wants to construct a cross shape in the picture. How many copies of each piece? Oh, what's the smallest number of pieces he can use to construct? I like this. This is fun.
Julio, just don't construct that shape.
Nope, he's doing it. He's determined.
6, 7.
Tickle it.
6, 7.
All right. All right. So Julio wants to construct the shape. Picture using pieces shaped like the ones below the cross. He has many copies of each piece. The pieces can be rotated if needed, but they cannot overlap. Okay, so he could use any of those types of pieces? Or he
Yeah,
could only choose one?
any.
Any. But he can't cut those pieces, right?
Right, so he's just fitting them in.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, so those guys are going to do the tricky parts.
So that's that triangle.
Sounds like the
Wait,
youngest one's having a battle over there.
he probably is. Wait, so we I feel like it's more efficient to fill these in with the
Two
2x2s.
blockers?
Yeah.
What would be the alternate? So if we did
Go all the way
did that-
across.
what's the
But how, well, okay, let's fill in the bottom. Let's assume the bottom, could you do it with 2 pieces?
1, 2. And then you have the triangle. So 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Daddy, you said it.
I did say it.
So that would be 2, 2, 2, 2, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
13. Yeah. I don't think you could do it smaller than that.
Daddy.
That seems
No.
pretty straightforward.
It does.
Are we missing
something obvious? Very likely. We can stop and think about it if you want. I mean, I guess the test I would do would be like, yeah, what if you did it this way and then just had that? That would not make it any better because you would end up still needing 2 down here.
Right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and before we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the same. I think it's the same.
Huh. Interesting.
Maybe not. I feel good enough to take it.
All right, let's take it.
Do you want to check our first 5 or keep going?
Just
Check our first 5. Let's see how we're doing.
Doesn't matter.
We're gonna check our first 5 and see if we have pressure to be perfect.
Yep.
E.
Yep.
B.
Yep.
E.
Yep.
C. Oh no!
24 with C. Oh no. That was the one I did.
No, lies. D.
Okay.
I skipped 24. Okay, that was a false alarm. D and 25 was C. So
yeah.
we're good.
Yeah. All right.
Okay. Well, that was like, how did we miss
Did you
the
smell
logic?
it? He tooted and he said, "I did it."
That's the way to do it. You got to claim them.
Yeah, well, that's why I asked, like, did he smell it? Because whoever smelt it dealt it.
Yeah, that's correct. Oh, this one.
5 more.
I remember this one. We did this. We skipped ahead and did this one. It was fun.
Did we do it? Here we'll go. Do you want to hear what he's saying? Do you want to hear the math logic? Here we go.
I remember doing this one, but I don't remember how, but it was fun. You're muted. Is that intentional? It's fine if it is. Some blocks are balanced. Okay. You're just super quiet.
Yeah, it's because the.
You're using like your computer mic.
Yeah. Some blocks are balanced on top of each other as shown. Blocks that are shaded in the same way have the same weight. Billy wants to order the 3 different types of square blocks from heaviest to lightest. What order should Billy obtain? All right, but
can't you can change like which thing is your mic and which is your audio too.
Oh, so I could still do like the ear pods, but then
for your mic, and then hear the audio coming through your computer. You just click on the little microphone down there and choose which one is which.
I'll try that.
All right, let's see.
All right. Can you hear me?
Yeah, it's better.
It's better?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. I don't know how I did that. That's good.
Let's see. So that.
All right. Some blocks are balanced on top. Blocks that are shaded in the same way have the same weight. So it's the order. 3 different types of square blocks, from heaviest to lightest. Why does it say 3 different types of square blocks?
You got an X, you got a solid one, and you got a dotted one.
Oh, so we need to. So based off of this, we need to figure. Okay.
Who's lightest? Who's middle? Who's heaviest? Yeah.
Okay. It's always good to figure out what you're trying to figure out.
Yeah.
Okay. So these are balanced.
Mm-hmm.
So there's 4 of these guys, 4 of the X's, and only 1 of them over here. There's 1 of the shaded and 1 of them over here. And then 2 of these guys, but 0 of them over here. All right. So that means, so these guys, that would be those guys are the same. So that means 2 of these blocks are equal to, or 1 of these blocks is equal to 2 of the X blocks.
No, I got 2 are equal to 3.
2
Am I wrong? Because you have a 1 X on the left and 1 square on the left.
Oh, you're right. Yeah.
And you got 1 of each on the right too.
My mom's Audrey Lynn Olson.
Yeah. So it's.
So that means the dotted ones are heavier than the X's.
Where is Audrey Lynn anyway? She must be going.
So the question is, where do the solid ones fit in?
Yeah, where did the solid
But 2 solid, if we know that they're heavier than the X, the solid has to be heavier than the dotted because of this one. Because you have a lighter one on the right, so that to balance it out, the solid one has to be heavier. Right? If the X is lighter than the dots, but 2 dots balance with
okay, yeah,
and an X, the solid has to be heavier than the dots. Right?
I kind of get it, and I kind of don't.
So here's my logic, see if it makes sense. Because I'm not.
Yeah.
So we determined that 2 dots is equal to 3 x's, right? So therefore, dots are heavier than x's. Said otherwise, x's are lighter than dots. Since x's are lighter than dots, in this balance on the left, 1x balances 2 dots with a solid. The x is lighter, so in order for them to be balanced, the solid has to be heavier than the dots.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Okay, yeah. I was not thinking about this unit
As a balance.
as being
Yeah.
balanced.
Yeah.
Okay. I got you. I'm smelling what you're stepping in.
So I think it's A.
Yeah. Yep.
All right.
There we go.
We agree, so it's got to be wrong. Okay, here we go.
That was good. I just, you're that's one of those where you have information, but you're just kind of oblivious to the information given.
Yeah, that happens to me all the time. It's probably happening now, and I don't even know it. All right. Got our copyright on there. That's good. Patricia wants to 1 to 9 into the squares with one number in each square. She wants a sum to be equal numbers shown in a line adjoining these. Oh, fun, like a Sudoku. Okay.
To the world he called for every
I think AOPS does something like this.
Yeah, this is like a Beast Academy problem here.
Yeah, I recognize these ones. All right, what is the sum of the numbers she writes in the shaded row? Okay. So the sum of this one and this one equal 13?
Yeah.
Okay. And the sum of this one and this one equal 11?
Yeah.
Okay. So we have lots of sums of 11, huh?
Yeah, 4 of them. And so that's 5, 6, 8.
Wait, Daddy, why do we think they made in China?
8, 3, and 9, 2, and 7, 4.
Because a lot of stuff is made in China.
You mean Hong Kong?
Hong Kong's part of China now.
So 13's our biggest. We have 2 of those. So that's but this one's 9.
Which is one of the smallest ones, yeah.
8 is the smallest.
Right.
So I guess the question is, where does the 1 go? Might be an interesting question. Like the 1 can't go there because that can't make 11. It could not go there. So we know that's not 7 and 1. So it's not there.
Maybe 2,
2, 6, or 3, 5, which both could work. Where could the 1 go? There are lots of places, I guess. Maybe not. It can't go there. Here, let me try this. Let me see if this helps. Maybe it won't. I'm just going to X out the ones where the 1s can't go. It could go there. It can't go there. It can't go there. It can't go there. It can't go there. Oh. You agree with that? That has to be 1?
Yeah, because it's got the 9 and 10. Yeah, so it's got to be 1.
So I think that will just all fall into place now once we have that.
Just gonna have to dance. Oh, just gonna have to dance. Look at this, Daddy.
All right, so 1 there, and so that means this one.
Yeah, it might just all domino.
Yeah, it has to be 8.
This has to be 9.
9.
So this has to be 4. And this has to be 5. And we're done.
5. There you go.
So 18.
What's 4 plus 5? What's 5 plus 5? I take away 1. 9. There you go. 9.
Are you guys almost done with this?
Yep. We have 3 more.
You just have 1 left?
No, I said we have 3 more. Right, because he's only writing them down. We're going to 30. So we got 26, 27, 28, and then we'll have 29 and 30.
So 3.
28, 29, 30. Yep. That's me. All right. Tino, good old Tino, combines the three building blocks shown on the right. Which of the following constructions can you make? There's only one answer though, right?
Yeah.
Or could
It's probably easier to find the ones you can't make. You can't make this one, I don't think, A, right? Because of the
side.
Yeah. This side you can do, the right
Right.
side. He can do the middle, but then he can't do this one. So I
Right.
think that's out. Can't be B because they can't all be flat, right? That's impossible because of this piece.
But does it say he has to use it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, use all three. So it can't be B.
I think it might be C.
I don't think it could be C because if he puts that one with the sticky up, you're left with a single one.
I'm not so sure. I think it might be C.
Okay.
Wait. No, you're right, I think. Let's see. If he wrote, yeah, because of where that is, maybe?
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
I'm waiting.
Well, you can keep going, keep thinking. I'm just trying to think if there's a way to make that fit. I don't think there is. Oh, wait.
Oh, you could flip this guy.
Yeah, you could flip that guy, but then you'd have another one up in the air.
No,
You'd have two.
you flip that guy, then you could do a L and you could do a L, and then you flip this guy. You have that guy, but then you don't use that guy. So if you have to use all of them, then you can't. Oops.
Yeah, I think it's, well, let's keep going. What about D? So that would be that one in the corner.
I don't think it could be D.
I think it's D.
I don't think it's D.
You don't think it's D? This would be this one here, right? If you rotate it, that would be right here. And then this little piece would fit right back here. And then this one you'd turn up and it would be that one.
Yeah. Yeah, I like D.
I think it's C.
It's not C, but we eliminated C. Because
C is a good guess. He was close.
It makes one of those little corners is always going to be free, and you don't have a one-piecer.
That was a close one, though. I think C was a good intuition.
Okay, so you had a good thought, though.
It took me a while to rule out C. Oh. All right.
Sarah, what's she doing this time?
She's got more chocolate, of course she does. Sarah then gave a quarter of her bars. Okay, so we have
Sarah.
3x and x, right? Let's just start with that. I'm just going.
And they gave a quarter.
She gave her, so she got.
Chocolate's not healthy. Sarah needs to have a better diet.
She lost.
Eating chocolate.
Well, she gave some of her chocolate away. That's the point.
Sarah now has 6 more bars than Sanaz. How many more bars?
So bracket plus 6. Bracket. Oh wait, no, this would be bracket plus 6, right?
No, Sarah has 6. Yep. Okay, so we got 12 fourths minus 3 fourths, so 9 fourths x
Sarah
equals, and then we got 16 fourths plus 3, so 19 fourths. Okay. Wait, what? Did I do this right?
Why'd you get 19 fourths? If this is x, right? Wouldn't that be 4 fourths?
4 fourths. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Thank you. So that would be 7 fourths. Yeah, it didn't seem right. 7 fourths x plus 6, so we can multiply by 4. So So we get, how many more bars does Snez have than Sarah originally? How many more bars than Snez did Sarah have? Oh, how many more? So X is 12.
And then you put it into the.
So she had 36. So she had 24 more bars, right? Because she had to have 36 in there.
Yeah.
All right.
See, a little algebra there for you.
I wonder how a 5th or 6th grader would think about this if they've done this kind of algebra. There's probably
some 6th graders probably have.
Yeah, there's probably a more intuitive way to do it before you get ruined by algebra. Algebra definitely makes it streamlined, but it's less as satisfying as like our natural intuition. Last one, and then we'll see if we aced. We're as smart as a 5th grader here.
Flowers.
Zeta wants to buy some flowers.
Zeta with his flowers again.
I think Zeta's a girl's name, I think.
The price of $3.
Zeta with her flowers again. She's always trying to buy flowers.
Price of the 3 flowers she can buy are shown in the picture. How many different bouquets with a total exactly 23 can she buy? Bouquets. All right.
This feels like another casework situation.
Okay.
Can we do casework? Like to start with the 3s or the 5s and then go from there?
Yeah. All right.
So if we had 4 5s, let's just do 5s. So if we did 4 5s, she could do 1, right? Because there would be a 4 5s and a 3.
Wait, what?
I was just gonna start with 5s and do like, okay, so if she got 4 $5 ones, then she could get 1 $3 one. So there's one way you could do 4 $5 ones.
Oh, okay.
And then we could do 3 $5 ones. So that leaves 8 left over. So she would have to do 2 4s, right? So that would be only one way.
2 4s, yeah.
There's no other way to make 8 with 3 and 4.
Uh-huh.
If she did 2 $5 ones, there's 13 left over.
There's no ways to do that. 13's
Yeah. Wait, no, 9 and 4. So 3 3s and a 4.
Oh, okay.
Right?
Yeah.
That's the only way you could do it. And then 1 5, there'd be 18 left over. So that would be 6 3s. Or 3 4s and 2 3s.
It's 18. Let's see. Oh, man. This is a toughie, oh man.
Well, if you do, you could only do no 4s or 2 4s, or 3 4s rather. Because if you had no 4s, you could do 6 3s, right?
6 3s, yeah.
And if you had 1 4, that would be 14. That doesn't work with 3. 2 4s doesn't work because that's 10. But 3 4s is 12, and the leftover would be 6. So that works because you could do 2 3s.
2 3s, yeah.
And I think that's it. 4 4s is 16, and then we're done.
All right.
And then 0 5s. So just 4s and 3s. We could do
21. 1 4 and 7 3s. No.
So you can't do 1 4. You could do 2 4s because that would be 15 left over. Right? 2 4s would be 15 left over, which is divisible by 3. And then 5 4s with a 3 would let work. So I think 2, but double check. I don't know.
Daddy, does this zebra look hideous?
Is that what?
Zebra look hideous.
Does he look hideous?
Which one was even more hideous than?
I don't think he looks hideous.
Which one was hideous than?
All right, now could the same be done with, now that we went through all that, if we did 4s,
Yeah, you could do. You get the same ones.
don't you get the same ones?
Yeah, we don't have to do them again because that's what with casework we handle them all by picking one number and just giving every possibility.
Okay.
Because after we picked how many 5s, we considered the numbers of 3s and 4s.
Right. That's what I was thinking.
So we should be good. So it should be 7.
7. But not 6.
Definitely not.
D.
All right,
D.
child. There's
Check
our
it.
chance.
Here it is.
Did we ace the 5th grade? This is from last year too. This one was the most recent one.
Mhm.
All right, number 26 is A. Yes.
Yep.
We missed 27.
Uh-oh.
So we'll go back. I'm not going to tell the answer.
Okay.
28 is D, 29 is D, and 30 is D. We only missed 1.
Yes.
27. So where was that? It was the number puzzle one. Really, we missed that? I'm just bringing the puzzle back up here if I can. Right.
Oh, the one where we tried to figure out where 1 was?
Yeah.
Oh. Those ones are sometimes
It says
tricky.
we missed it. So make sure, or what was the question? Let me make sure. The question was, okay, writes the numbers 1 to 9 into the squares. Oh, wait, did we check if we had duplicate numbers? With one number, she wants the sum of any 2 adjacent squares to be equal. What is the sum of the numbers in the shaded row? Okay, so we said this was 1. This was 8. So we said this was 9. This was 4, and this was 5. But let's see, if we keep going, do we get a duplicate somewhere?
6, 7.
No.
Do we write down?
I must have wrote down the wrong. We said 18. I must have written down the wrong thing.
Well, where are the answers?
Let me pull the whole question back up. I think I wrote down the wrong letter. I'm pretty sure I did. We could go back and watch the video. It's an instant replay. I challenge this. I challenge flag.
Yeah, you put B. That's 17. C is 18.
Yeah, we said 18.
Yeah, we said 18, but
so we missed one because I did a middle school mistake. I put the wrong number down. That fits. That fits.
That's about right.
Yeah, that all matches. We did it. All right. Next time we'll have to try the 7th and 8th grade one.
Oh my goodness, that'll
they're harder.
Destroy me.
All right. Well, we just did a couple hours. How long? Almost 2 hours of math. Well,
yeah.
There was 20 minutes of tech difficulty, so 90 minutes.
20 minutes of perfection. Yeah. Yep. All right. Thanks for doing that. That was great.
Yeah, those are fun. It is snowing.
Go
crazy.
see if there's sledding material that is deposited on the golf course.
Yeah, I don't think it has to be ice because it's not steep enough.
Oh.
Yeah. All right. Enjoy the weekend.
All right. See you later.
Yep.
See ya.